So first I'm going to start by washing my meat. This is about a kg of meat, less handful. So that's about roughly 850 grams of meat. Then I'm going to put it in the pot and I'm going to add about 1.5 liters of water. That's about 6 cups of water. Now I'm going to proceed to place this on the fire. At this point, I'm going to go in with my salt, a generous amount. I'm also going to add my dried pepper. Juu pia nataka the broth to be a little bit chili, but I'm not adding a lot. I'm going to let this boil for about 1 hour, but sitafunikia saizi because nikifunikia and then it start becoming hot, it will tend to overflow because of the what I do not know. So I'm going to let it boil for about 20 to 30 minutes first. Then ikishika vizuri the boiling, I'm going to cover it and proceed to boil it for another 30 minutes. So exactly 60 minutes later, and let's check on this. As you can see, the water has greatly reduced from this point to this point. It is halfway. So I'm going to strain off the excess water, and this I'm going to have it as my broth that I'm going to be using in other recipes to come. So make sure every time you boil your meat, you keep the broth. You do not have to take it all at once, or you do not have to take it at that moment. You can also store it in the fridge like I'm going to do. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.